you are in the world, and knowing you too, it could genuinely be anywhere. And you'll remember today, this location, these people, this choice, each other, a daily reminder of who you chose every day of your life and why. Mason, do you take Noah to be your wife, to love her, to choose her every season of life?
I do.
Noah, do you take Mason to be your husband, to love him, to choose him every season of your life?
I do.
I get to pronounce you every way, husband and wife. Mason, you may now kiss the ring.
Every little place and every bit of pavement, everywhere I go.
But you still perform. Yes.
Look at the camera. Yeah.